Hello class, my name is Miss Camden, and since you guys are the snail class, we're going to be doing a fun little activity today. I'm going to be teaching you how to color and draw your very own pet snail. So I'm really excited to show you guys. It's going to be step by step, and I want you to put your own creative twist on it. So let's get started.
Okay, so for this activity, you guys are going to need a pencil, a blank piece of paper, and you're going to need your markers that you would like to use. This is a little step-by-step of what we're going to do. And so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blank piece of paper and we are going to take our pencil, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle. I didn't like the mark at the top, but since we're using a pencil I can erase it, so I went ahead and erased that. Then I drew a small line coming out of the back, and then you do straight across and go up and make a little oval thing at the top to make the body of your snail. Then you're going to do 2 lines for the eyes, and then you're going to put a big circle and then a little filled in circle inside of it. And you are going to do the same thing on the other side. I didn't like how my first circle looked, so I went ahead and erased that because again, we're using pencil, so it's totally okay if you make a mistake. Our snail's going to be happy, so I drew a little happy face in the corner, and then we are going to draw a swirl on the shell. So I use these 3 colors of markers, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to outline all of the snail that I just drew in this pretty pink color. So you can go ahead and use whatever color you want to. This is my favorite color, so that's why I chose to use it. I'm kind of just going along the lines of my pencil. It's okay if you mess up a little bit because mistakes are fine. But I went ahead and outlined all of the lines that I just drew, making it look all pretty and pink. I'm going and coloring the eyes, making little circles where they were. Then I chose to use my purple marker next, and I'm just drawing little polka dots on the shell to make it a little bit fun. And then last I took my blue marker and I drew some stars on the body of the snail just because it's fun and I like stars, and you can do whatever you want to make yours creative and make yours look super cool. Do whatever you would like to. Lastly, I wrote the name that I chose to name my snail, so her name is Stella, and so I wrote that on top of my paper, and that is it.
So I hope you guys had a lot of fun doing that activity. I'd love to see how awesome your snails turn out. Make sure that you're doing a little personal twist, get creative, and if you make mistakes, remember we used our pencils first, so if you need to erase anything, that's totally fine. But yeah, mistakes are okay, and yeah, I hope you had fun. Thank you.